Hi everyone. Today I'll be doing a swipe on this heart-shaped canvas, and here I am applying my black base, and it is color to go. My first color is Red Matter by Arteza. I will be adding it in a line like this. This will be the main area that I'll be swiping from. And on both sides I'm going to be just swirling the paint. Not putting a lot on there, just like swirling it around on the canvas on either side, just like this. My next color is Grenache by this little piggy. It's a pigment, and I'll be doing the same thing as I did with the Red Matter. Now this one is Reflex Orange by Amsterdam. This one is Pyro Red, also by Amsterdam. This is another TLP, this little piggy pigment called Inferno. I'll be swiping with this piece of cardboard. I'll be adding the paint on the edge like this. The cells on the one side are pretty nice, very minimal, but on this side here didn't turn out very well. So when I spin, there's a lot of black paint on here, so I'm gonna spin it, and when I spin it, it should look a lot better. It should spread out a little bit. Now for spinning, I probably will have to spin quite a bit off. Here I'm just pushing it over to one side because I want some of the red to fall on the other side where it's mostly black, and give it a good spin. Okay, I think it turned out really nice. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. See you in my next video. Bye for now.